how to add any browser URL in the allow list for Google Antigravity to access it. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can whitelist any particular external URL so that your Antigravity agent can access it. As by default, it requires this for safety and ethical purposes. So let me show you how you can do this. So to do this, first go to the settings gear icon just besides your profile picture, and then from here click on open anti-gravity user settings, or alternatively you can press the control and the comma key. Now once this window opens, from here go to the browser option, and here you will see the allow list. So this controls which URLs the browser can access and domains or full URLs to the allow list. So currently you can see localhost is already added to this. If you wish to add any other URL, you can go to the add option and then type in the URL that you wish to be added up in the allow list and then press this enter option. So that's how easily you can add any URL. It does not validate if the URL is correct or not, as I have added an incorrect URL, but it is there for any reason. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.